They're coming.
Zombies are hatching.
Everyone do like perfect tracking on Roger.
I've aggroed the Fallout enemies in the water.
Everyone do perfect tracking. Don't take your mouse off Roger.
Dude.
Had enough.
Yeah, the Fallout enemies got in the water, dude. Dude, don't
Definitely
even...
shadow play that.
Enemy sees the enemy spotted you, but he's like in the water. He can't move.
Yeah, I'm trying to VATS. I'm spamming VATS to see where you're at.
Oh my god, we gotta do the quest.
How's it going, guys?
Dude, the car is alive. You can't get it. It's a
give
few
up.
Sisyphus, dude. This boulder is not going uphill.
Just don't give up, guys.
Dude,
I'm just trying to start the juice box quest.
The ball is
If you
the
give
key.
up
the
if
ball
you give
is
up
the key.
the game developers win.
But I can't move the ball.
This game is like one really shitty piece of code.
The way he gets in. It's a lost cause, I think. Unless we get another car. It's so close to just being just... Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's stuck.
Oh no! It is! I have to get in this.
Oh, I'm making. Oh, development.
I have to jump.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I just ghost.
free.
Oh, you made it!
I'm free.
Dude,
Oh.
I just ghost hovered up to the car to get in it.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
It's so fucking stupid.
I'm gonna do it again.
This is the dumbest thing I've ever done in any video game. Are you free?
Dude, you gotta look at this.
I gotta see that from third person.
Yeah. Wait, Jacko, come do this. Oh wait, I gotta get it. Dude, it's so late. That
is
you can do it so late.
That's amazing.
Oh my god.
You can do it when you're like on the ground. Wait, I like that it's like moving. It's like vibrating a little.
Undulating.
Yeah.
Coming alive. Is it gonna get out on its own? No. There's no way.
I think you just need a certain.
Wait.
Oh,
Oh. Look at the stream.
Dude.
Look at your arms. Look at how you're controlling it.
the baby.
You put the baby on your screen. Did you draw the baby?
You don't even throw it, you just like toss it to them. They fall over.
Give him the baby. What?
Dude, you just did like an Ocarina of Time like speedrun glitch with that zombie.
Go back. No.
You changed your
Oh
mind?
my god. Maybe like.
No.
You changed your mind?
Talk.
No.
I hate this game.
Dude, this is a perfect input.